Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm ready to test the 120Hz support test in the YouTube and the Instagram in the Realme X7 Max device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just a couple of hours ago, I did receive the software update in the Realme X7 Max, which is the 8.17, as you can see here. So after the software update, a lot of users did ask me this kind of question that whether the 120Hz refresh rate is fixed in the YouTube and Instagram application or not. Can you please demonstrate a video? So let me try to demonstrate a video, friends, on that. And for that purpose, I'm trying to use a real-time refresh rate. This is a real-time refresh rate. This is not the FPS meter. This is a refresh rate. So whenever the app is optimized to support the higher refresh rate, it will try to display 120. If the application is not optimized, it will try to display 60. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know whether it's supported or not. Right now is the YouTube and Instagram which are loaded, as you can see, friends, clearly. Right now I did enable the 120Hz display refresh rate. Let me show you exactly for your clarification. As you can see, I did not select auto. It's in 120Hz only. So now let me go to the YouTube. As soon as I open the YouTube, and you will be getting the 60. It's not 120, it's staying, it's 60, as you can see. Not only YouTube, even the Instagram also, it's going back to 60. So this is not happening in the other phones. You may think there must be some problem with the Instagram for the Dimensity 1200, but in the OnePlus Nord 2, this is a OnePlus Nord 2 Dimensity 1200, and it's working 90 Hz, and is a YouTube application working 90 Hz. As you can see, I do know it's not a big deal for the users. Definitely for me, it is not bothering me, but I'm just trying to demonstrate and giving the information about the Realme X7 Max. What is happening after the update is the iQOO 7 device. So iQOO 7 device has got 120Hz refresh rate, and this is Instagram, and this is YouTube, and YouTube also working with the 120Hz refresh rate, as you can see here clearly. I'm just trying to show you the demonstration only by comparing what is happening. So till the problem not yet got fixed, I'm not saying it's a problem, but still it's got not optimized. I mean, yeah, so it's not optimized right now to play support at 120Hz in the Realme X7 Max. But one weird thing is that some of the users, they are mentioning that they were able to get the 120Hz sometime and they're not getting 120Hz other time. I'm not sure how, but for me, I'm not getting any time 120Hz in this YouTube and the Instagram. So thank you for watching this video, friends. It's a small video which I thought just giving the demonstration and clarity what is happening after the software update. I'll try to test the Battlegrounds mobile game and other games as well after the update, whether the 90 FPS problem got fixed or not. So stay tuned for those videos, friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.